made it to Wadi Shab and we already said Oman is kind of calming us down. There's, I don't know, kind of the vibe. It's really nice. First thing you have to do if you want to go to Wadi Shab,
take a boat. What you can expect here is a 40 to 50 minute hike, and there's a donkey in the mountain. And maybe don't bring your best shoes. It's very sandy here.
And very rocky. Take at least good shoes. Here.
So one thing that we realized is that Oman, especially for budget travelers, is not that easy because especially the groceries and the restaurants, they are very pricey. Accommodations you can find relatively cheap. For example, the Muscat Inn, it's only I think 20 bucks and it was very okay. And then of course I call it national parks, the things that you can do in the country. Most of them are actually free. Here, this side, we only had to pay $5 for 2 people one way to go over this river, and then you can just enter the park and stroll around and have fun. I think that's really good. So that's it. So apparently from the pool you can go even further, but you need to swim through the pool. So we're gonna take all of our stuff, put it in a wet bag, have a GoPro to film it, and then we're somewhere over there.
Let's get in the bathing suits, huh?
Yeah, go. So I am supposed to carry this one-handed. Oh my god. I think that's a good idea. Let's go.
We can first try to swim.
Okay. I mean, since the air can't go out,
Oh, you can stand.
I'm assuming
You can stand. Oh, no, you can't.
that the water won't come in, right? If it's airtight,
Yeah.
it should be watertight as well.
It's very slippery. I really hope the dry bag is dry, honey.
Yeah, let's hope this will not be another one of Maddy and Sascha destroying gear.
Please no. No, it's really fine, right? Okay, a bit more about the hike. So this is basically, if you ever heard about the Narrows in Zion National Park, this is basically Narrows in Oman. Compared to the US, I think to do the whole river crossing and to sleep inside of here and something in Oman, you don't need a permit at all. You don't even need to pay entrance fee. You can just go in and do whatever you like. The color here of the water is very nice. Like everybody told me, it's azure, green, bluish, and beautiful, and that's what it is. Oh, swimming with one hand is ridiculous.
I have to do it with a dry bag.
Okay. I kind of hear some waterfall. Is it inside the mountain? Oh. Okay, it's slippery. Okay, now we fill it up with air and hope that that will help. Let's don't slip and fall. Oh yeah, okay, getting wet again.
Made it this far. I would go there. There. Step there. Down there. Right foot down there. And then boulder up.
Yeah, if they would be
There's a grip. Right.
We made it. And the dry bag is mostly dry, I would say. So on the bottom there was some water, but we put the clothes in there on the bottom, and of course then just the clothes get wet. And let's hope that's also the case for the way back. And then we're never gonna use this one again and buy a new one.
I basically had it submerged in water and I think it did a good job.
Give me the stuff, put it in there and head on.
Don't hurt yourself.
This is part of the fun. Slippery.
Yeah.
This is just lovely.
This is all for free, guys. Truly amazing. Yeah, that's not fun if you're a little bit claustrophobic. Don't laugh at me.
Oh wow.
This is truly not my comfort zone. Going in tiny...
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's wow, but I'm very uncomfortable. Okay?
So I go first?
No, you go behind me and if I get stuck you can push. I did it! I'm so proud of myself. And it was magical, it was cool. I would do it again. Now we have it all to ourselves. And it's so quiet.
So that's been our adventure here in...
Wadi Shab.
That's right, Wadi means river and Shab means shop. It was wonderful, it was free. And if you bring a dry bag, you can take basically all of your stuff with you into the cave, and the cave was just magically.
Yeah.
But beware, it's very slippery here, so...
Wear good shoes, don't take a lot of stuff, take enough water and food if you need it, and you're basically straight. So that's the packing list.
Exactly. Let's get back and see you at the outside. Oh, we are the last ones. This is real, true paradise here. You can hear the frogs. Oh, and the stream of water. This has been a lovely trip. And if you decide to come here, really make sure to get a dry bag in advance and then do the whole thing. The cave in the end is just, it's worth it. 100%. The last guide just left with a group of Frenchies. We are trying to increase our pace a bit so we can get the last boat, because I don't want to swim again. How about you?
No.
Bye bye, Oasis.
It's beautiful, right?
It is.
So you could think that we plan on not planning to make it a really cool, crazy adventure with a lot of stupidity. But no, we are actually that stupid.
I would just call it adventurous, because I think a bit more of uncertainty while doing stuff like this is great. I mean, at least we prepared in getting a dry bag and proper shoes. For our level of not preparedness, I think we did an awesome job. And I think, again, it paid off to be the last to exit the park.
I mean, everybody always tells you to be early. We never make it. As long as you can always get out, you know. Like if you cannot get out at a certain time, then...
Let's go home and eat something.
Yes. Who is this then?
And we're the last ones. And there's no boat.
I just screamed very loud Mahaba, and now he's coming. He waved back and now he's going the boat, so... Now I'm relieved, and now we can chill.
We're not lost.
Salam. Shukran. No? Okay, shukran. Oh, that's so nice.
Wow. You can get it for free.
Yeah. We're really the last ones with the Frenchies. They had their own boat. I think we could have taken that one too, but... That was lovely. And I'm always really happy if we get back somewhere safe and sound.
And the car is still there?
Gear is still there. So, and now we are at least taking a drive through the really nice town
Oh, yeah.
Sur. It should be very lovely. It has a really nice lighthouse, and we're just gonna stroll around a bit, maybe drive around.
Let's do that. Let's go. So that's been it from our activity jam-packed day on a budget in Oman. Last thing to do, because we are so hungry.
We get a budget meal. It's gonna be pasta with tomato sauce again, but this time with
Deluxe
cheese.
version. Cheese. on
With
it.
cheese, yeah.
Oh yeah, very nice. So let's do that. Drive home, cook a meal, see you there.
Bye.
Welcome home. Man, this looks fantastic.
Yeah.
Wow. Here we go.
Here we go.
See you in the next one. Big kissy from the Germans.